analysis. The first step is always about information gathering, identifying things like the website purpose, goals, and target audience. Phase 2. Planning. A plan includes a definition of the sitemap, structure, and technologies that we're about to use. Phase 3. Design. Not only do we focus on wireframe models and the visual style in this stage, but also on the usability of the user interface for the best possible user experience. Phase 4. Content. A very important part of the process is choosing the right text, photos, or videos, all optimized not only for your visitors, but also for search engines. Phase 5. Development. Here, we actually create the website using the hypertext markup language and cascading style sheets with some help from databases and other technologies as well. If needed, our websites can be made accessible to mobile devices too. Phase 6. Testing. We test all the technical features like code and scripts, compatibility with major browsers, but we also ask ourselves if the website really fulfills its purpose. Phase 7. Deployment. After we launch the site, our job is definitely not done yet. We always monitor what's happening after the start, enabling us to fix any possible deficiencies. And if you want, we can also manage the future maintenance and updates for you. As you have just seen, web design is a very complex process, but we believe this is how websites should be done.